Good morning, students. Next continuation of the same method, that is when q of x is equal to e power ax into v, where v is a function of s. This method again we are going to discuss. Now solve d square plus 4d minus 12 into y is equal to x minus 1 into e power 2x. Solve this one. Right. Now, first of all, what you are write? Given differential equation. Given differential equation is d square plus 4d minus 12 into y is equal to x minus 1 into e power 2x. Now this equation 1 can be written as what? F of d into y is equal to q of x. This is in this form, right? Where f of d is equal to what? D square plus 4d minus 12. And q of x is equal to what? X minus 1 into e power 2x. Right? Now, here, first of all, you have to find a complementary function. No? To find the complementary function, first of all, we have to find the auxiliary equation. Here, auxiliary equation is equal to what? F of m is equal to 0. Replace d by m in f of d and equate it to 0. You will get the auxiliary equation. That means m square plus 4m minus 12 is equal to 0 is the auxiliary equation. Implies, now what are the roots of this equation? How to find the roots? Here this 12, no? M square plus 6m minus 2m minus 12 is equal to 0. Right? Now this implies m common, m plus 6 here, minus 2 common, m plus 6 here, implies m plus 6 is common, m minus 2 is equal to 0. Equate each factor is equal to 0. Then you will get m is equal to 2 and m is equal to minus 6. Now here the roots. Roots are what? Roots are real numbers. Real and unequal, right? They are unequal. Therefore, complementary function is equal to yc is equal to c1 into e to the power of first root into x plus c2 into e to the power of second root into x. Right? Now, this is the complementary function. Next, what you have to find out? Now, particular integral. Particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. Right? This is also denoted by yp. Now implies yp is equal to what? 1 by, what is f of d here? F of d is d square plus 4d minus 12 into q of x is equal to x minus 1 into e power 2x. Right? Now implies yp is equal to, now it is in the form of what? X into v. Right? X into v. What you have to do? Now e power 2x, e power x into v, no? Replace d by d plus 2. E power 2x into 1 by, we are replacing d by d plus 2. D plus 2 whole square plus 4 into d plus 2 plus 2 into x minus 1 as it is. Right? Now that implies yp is equal to e power 2x 1 by, now this is expansion, d square plus 2d plus 4 plus this is 4d plus 8 plus 2 into x minus 1 as it is. That implies yp is equal to e power 2x by, here d square plus 2d plus 4d is how much? D plus 2 whole square, d plus 4d, 8d, right? 8d. Here d plus 2 whole square, d square plus 2 into 2ab formula, no? 4d plus 4d is 8d, right? Here 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus this 8. Actually, what is this? This constant is minus 12. See here, this constant is minus 12, right? Minus 12. Now, the 4 plus 8 is 12 and 12 minus 12 is 0 into x minus 1 as it is. Once again, we are writing clearly yp is equal to e power 2x 1 by d square plus 8d into x minus 1. Right? Now, yp is equal to e power 2x into, you know how to solve this one. Now, this we have to take common 8d because we have to express the denominator in the form of 1 plus something, no? Right. 1 plus d by 8 you will get. D by 8. Is that clear? This is 8d into 1 is 8d we are getting. 8d into d by 8 is d square. 8 get cancel again, you will get this one. Into x minus 1 only. That is yp is equal to e power 2x into 1 by 8d. Now this is becomes 1 plus d by 8 whole power minus 1 into x minus 1. Now this implies yp is equal to e power 2x by 1 by 8d into, what is the expansion of 1 plus d whole power minus 1? 1 minus d plus d square and so on. No? 1 minus d by 8 plus d by 8 whole square and so on into x minus 1. Now multiply that x minus 1 inside. Now e power 2x by 1 by 8d into x minus 1 into 1 is x minus 1 only minus d by 8 into x minus 1. Remaining thing I am not writing because d square of something, d square of x is equal to 0. Now this implies yp is equal to e power 2x by 1 by 8d or e power 2x by 8d. Simplification, x minus 1 as it is minus derivative of x. Derivative of x is with respect to x is 1. Now this minus into minus becomes plus. Derivative of 1 is 0. That means what you will get? By 8. That's it. Now again continuation, that implies yp is equal to e power 2x by 8d. Simplification is x minus this simplification, if you simplify, else if you take the LCM, minus 9 by 8 you will get. Minus 9 by 8. Again d is there. Now this implies yp is equal to e power 2x by 8. This d can be written as d power minus 1 into x minus 9 by 8. That implies y power d is equal to e power 2x by 8. D power minus 1 is nothing but integration x minus 9 by 8 into dx. Implies yp is equal to e power 2x by 8. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 9 by 8 is 9 by 8 into x. That's it. Now, therefore, yp is equal to e power 2x by 8 into x square by 2, 9x by 8. Therefore, what's your conclusion? The general solution of equation 1 is equal to yc plus yp. Right? Therefore, the general solution y is equal to c1 e to the power of 2x, c2 into e to the power of minus 6x plus, what is particular integral value? E power 2x by 8 into x square by 2, 9x by 8. This is the general solution. And your solve homework problem is solve d square minus 2d plus y 5 into y is equal to e power 2x into sin x. Solve this one.